Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video of CamSolve. Today we are going to do percentage by mass, which is also known as percentage composition. This is also a very important topic of the mole calculation, and you know that we are doing the mole series nowadays. And this topic is particularly important for the MCQs paper for both GCSE and IGCSE chemistry, and as well as the theory paper. And the question comes in both MCQs and theory paper from this topic. So let's move towards the topic. We will discuss the formula first, and then we will do the numerical questions. Okay, so today's topic is percentage by mass. We can also say this is percentage composition. Basically, we need two things to calculate percentage by mass. First of all, we have to calculate the molar mass of the compound. And the compound will be, of course, provided to us in the question. And we all know that how to calculate the molar mass. Masses are given in the periodic table. We just add them up, and by this way we can calculate the molar masses. Okay. And next we have to use the formula. So the formula says percentage by mass of an element is equal to mass of the element in 1 mole of compound divided by molar mass of the compound and whole multiplied by 100, as it is the percentage. So this is the formula. You need to remember this formula for the solution of these type of questions, percentage by mass. Okay, so keep this formula in your mind, and now we will move towards the question. Okay, so this is the question from the same topic in GCSE O level chemistry 5070. I have selected the paper from the GCSE O level this time. Okay, my dear student. So according to question, we are asking to calculate the percentage by mass of nitrogen. So we have to specifically calculate the molar mass of nitrogen in magnesium nitrate. Okay, so look at the formula of the magnesium nitrate first. This is MgNO3 twice. Okay, do you remember the steps? The first step was to calculate the molar mass of the compound. So let's calculate the molar mass of the compound. And here the compound is magnesium nitrate. So I will specifically write magnesium nitrate here instead of the generic word compound. So molar mass of the compound, for that we need molar mass of magnesium, nitrogen, and of course oxygen. So for that we will move towards the periodic table. Okay, we need magnesium, and magnesium is here. Molar mass of magnesium is 24, and we need nitrogen. The molar mass of the nitrogen is 14, and oxygen, the molar mass of oxygen is 16. So we need to remember 24 for magnesium, nitrogen is 14, and oxygen is 16. Okay, so for magnesium it is 24, nitrogen it is 14, but we have 2 nitrogen here, so I will multiply this 14 by 2. For oxygen it is 16, but we have 6 oxygen here, so I will multiply 16 by 6. 24 plus 28 plus 96. Let me calculate it by using my calculator. So it is 148 gram per mole. So till now we have completed our step 1. Now next step. Next step is the usage of the formula, and according to the formula we have to divide the mass of the element whose percentage we are going to find out over the molar mass of the compound. So look carefully that we have to find out the percentage by mass of nitrogen, and percentage by mass of nitrogen here is 28. My dear student, this is very important point, and this is a very common mistakes that the students make. They just divide, they just look at that which element mass is being asked. So if in this case, if this is nitrogen, so they will divide the whole thing by 14. They will take 14 here, but this is the wrong approach. Okay, we do not need to divide by 14. We need to divide it by 28. Why? Because in our compound nitrogen is 28. It is 2 multiplied by 14. We are going to use 2 atom of the nitrogen here. So don't make this don't make this mistake, and you have to specifically use the exact mass of the element that is present in that specific compound. Understood? So now percentage of nitrogen, that is 28 divided by 148 multiplied by 100. Let me solve it. Answer is 19%. Okay, and we also have to give our answer into two significant figure, and you can see these are the two significant figure. And that's all for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.